Why do cats make noise when they jump? As a cat owner, you may have noticed that your furry companion often makes noise when they are jumping around the house. This is actually one way for cats to express their emotions, particularly excitement or playfulness. When a cat jumps and meows at the same time, it's their way of letting you know that they are having fun and enjoying themselves. But noise making during jumping isn't just limited to playful situations. Sometimes, cats also make noise when they jump as a form of communication for other emotions such as fear or anger. Read more information by going to the link in the description.